In this video, we're going to show you how to install the upper fender splash shield on a Toyota Camry located inside your wheel well area. Using our 21mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. I want to go remove this cover here. It's going to be two 10mm screws here and then a plastic push pin. Let's go ahead and use our socket here to remove these. I'm going to use our trim tool to pop this out. So you want to get in to the center, pop out the middle, and then we pop out the base, and then pull that cover off and set it aside. Let's go ahead and install our front splash shield. Before we secure those there, let's go ahead and install the plastic push pin here. With that locked in, we can now go ahead and secure the two bolts here. Just snug them down. Install the wheel. Let's go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started. Once we have them all started, we'll come on back and snug them down. Let's go ahead and snug them down. Do not over tighten. Let's now go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. I prefer to do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.